Hello everyone, my name is Sanaz and welcome to the second lecture of the series of the database management system course. In today's lecture we want to compile and run our first programming on MySQL server. So you need to find which version of this MySQL server is compatible with your operating system. So I will highly recommend you to just watch the first lecture in this series to know how to install the JDK, the newest version from Oracle, and then following this lecture. So before just go through the details, let me show these two files. You need to download these two files, .jar and also .java file, and just store it in location in your PC or laptop. And after that, just download and install the MySQL workbench. I'm not gonna show you how to install and or download it because there's a bunch of videos and you can find it just by Google how to download and install MySQL server. But you need to know your operating system. So in that case, you can watch the first video, or you also can go to this link, dev.mysql.com downloads. You can find out your operating system here, and after that go down to download page and follow the instruction. So I'm just supposing all of you already downloaded and installed it. Also, you need to download the latest version of the MySQL JDBC connector by just clicking on this link, or just Google it. You can find the newest version of the MySQL connector. So let us start to work on our MySQL workbench. Okay, so this environment is the MySQL workbench. The first and the main local host is your root local host, which you created for the first time. And so let me just connect to this root. So the password for this root is the password that you registered for the first time on the MySQL server. So let me just enter to the MySQL workbench. So here, as you can see, there are three main schemas, and you also can create your schema. But first of all, we need to create our local user. So just following the instruction, create a local user John with the password pass1234 on MySQL workbench. This password is not strong, but just respect the policy and follow the instruction. Let me show how to create a local user beside your root local host. Go to the administrations, users, and privileges. As you can see, we already have 4 local hosts, which the root one is one of them. Add account, just change this one to John and create your password, pass1234, and confirm it, pass1234. And after that, go to the administrative rules and click on all of these blank and apply it. Okay, so as you can see, you created your local user as John, and you can enter to your MySQL workbench now from the John local user. So just go to the database and click to connect to the database, and here change the root to John. Click OK. So you will see you need to enter your password, which was the simplest one, pass1234, So now you will see the your query work page in your SQL. And if you just go to the instruction, it will ask you to create a table. So I'm just gonna copy this words and paste it here, and after that just run it. So as you can see, you will create database test DB. So after running this query and after refreshing the schema, you can see the newest schema is test DB that you created. So first of all, you need to create your database, and after that you need to use it. So for creating your table, the table is people. It has a different attribute, name, email, country, and the task is insert to this table the values John Smith with this email and from this country, and also KP Brown and Newton Franklin. So we already we already have this table, and we want to insert 3 more tuples to this table. So we created our first local user, and also we created our test DB. Let's just compile and run our program to see what's going on. Just pop up the command prompt, and you will see you're in this directory, and we want to change it to this path. Let me just, we don't need, I already just created this exercise, but I don't need this to file. Okay, just copy this path and change your directory to this path. Okay, and at the end you will compile and run your code by this link. Yes, so you created your table with the name people. You also insert, for example, these 3 people, and print the result is again these people. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please just subscribe and wait for us for the next video in this series. Thank you.